paradise started as an overgrown mess just weeks ago. Let me show you how dreams become reality. It all begins with clearing the chaos. Workers strip away years of neglect, marking boundaries where luxury will soon take shape. Then comes the big dig. Heavy machinery carves out the foundation, transforming dirt into the skeleton of something extraordinary. Next, the framework goes in. Steel rebar creates the bones of what will become a crystal-clear oasis, piece by carefully placed piece. Underground, the magic happens. Plumbing and electrical systems snake through the earth, bringing life to every corner of this future paradise. Concrete flows like liquid stone. What was once just a hole becomes solid, permanent, real. The deck takes shape around it. Modern tiles and wooden planks create spaces where memories will be made for decades to come. Nature reclaims its place. Fresh grass, sculpted hedges, and towering privacy trees transform the landscape into a living masterpiece. Luxury features find their home. A gazebo for dining under stars, lounge chairs for lazy afternoons, even a basketball court for active fun. The final touch, crystal clear water. And then, the reveal that takes your breath away. From chaos to paradise,